How to change Claude Code module from Sonnet to Opus on Mac. By default, Claude Code runs on Sonnet, but if you need more power for complex tasks, switching to Opus takes about a few seconds. So I'm going to show you two ways, one in app and one in the terminal. First one in app, make sure you are in Claude Code section. And it's very simple. Down here you can see the Sonnet, click here and change to Opus. You can select the older one and the new one, and also if you want you can change here the effort. So click on Opus. Opus now is here visible, and if you want to you can also enable fast mode. So that was the Claude app, and now we want to run it in terminal. So open your terminal and start Claude, type here Claude, make sure it's already installed in your terminal. Now the Claude is running in my terminal, and simply type here /module and press enter. And here you will see a list of available modules, and you can use your arrows down and up and choose the Opus if you want to, and press enter to confirm. Now in your dashboard you can see that the Opus is running, and from this session it's gonna use Opus. Opus is better at complex reasoning, but it's slower and uses more of your usage limit. So it makes sense to switch to it when you are working on something that actually needs it. If you want to change it back, again type here module, and you can select the default one, which is the Sonnet. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.